So Turf Tidy 5000, as the name suggests, 5,000 litre hopper. It is a lot bigger. You'll firstly notice 2,000 litres bigger than the 3,000, but it's predominantly just a longer machine. It's no wider, and the head on this is still 1.8 metres, 6 foot. It's the same head rotor that you'll find on the 3,000 inside this. We have the same style of rotor with the scarifying blade and wind paddle, or with the heavy duty flails, or the back-to-back flails, or a brush if you would like to put that in there. Take it with a scarifying rotor with the wind paddles, and you'll find the vacuum on it is incredible. So even if you don't want to scarify or verticut, you can just run across it with that standard rotor and just vacuum up grass, leaves, whatever it may be. Even on asphalt, tarmac, it's no problem. The 5000's got obviously a new look. It's slightly different shape on the side. You can see all of that. We've got these great big rams. Yes, of course, they're needed. We've got a lot more material we're going to lift, but we've still got the high tip feature, so it still lifts to 2.17 meters high, goes all the way up, tips over, of course, to empty, and the head on here floats, which again is another very important feature of Turf Tidy, and we can adjust the front and the rear roller. This is a much cleaner, simpler system now for the adjustment, quicker and more reliable. And again, just like the old model, you can use either roller. I can use both rollers if I want to. Why would I want to do that? Maybe I've got undulating ground and I want to create a hard stripe. Why would I just want to use the rear roller? Well, maybe I'm vacuuming up cores or other material and I don't want to roll over it. Or maybe I just want the front roller to work like an anti-scalp as well. So I can choose which rollers, both, one or the other, no problem at all. All of the hydraulics are now encompassed just around the front of the machine here and encased. You'll also note on top the dust suppression system that keeps a lot more of that material down. So I know that was one of the requests from the US in dustier areas, just so it's not blowing dust everywhere. We can do that, and that is the Turf Tidy 5000.